गुड इवनिंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम लोग क्लास 5 इंग्लिश चैनल बुक का चैप्टर 10 का टाइगर एट द डोर का क्वेश्चन आंसर करने वाले हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। रीड एंड आंसर। क्वेश्चन ए, fill in the blanks with words of your own to complete this sentence. Question number 1, the boys were walking through dash when Rusty felt that dash the jungle and they were being followed. Number 2, there was no one to be seen but they dash or there was a soft third like dash. तो फर्स्ट वाले में होगा they could hear occasional noises and second one होगा heavy animals foot. Question number 3, Rusty felt that they were being dash and whispered to his friend to dash. तो stalked and stay calm and not run. Number 4, the boys rounded a bend and saw dash in a clearing below. There was no sign of dash. The Mandali rent house और सेकेंड वाले fill in the blanks में होगा caretaker. Number 5, the boy dashed the bungalow and dashed the door and windows to prevent dash from the coming inside. Entered the bungalow, secured the door and windows and prevent the tiger from coming inside. Question number 6, they heard a loud bang of dash. They saw a man dash and the tiger disappeared dash and the three friends were dash. So they heard a loud bang of gunshot. They saw a man approaching from the forest. The tiger disappeared into the jungle and the three friends were safe. 15 question, short answer question based on the story. Question number 1, where were the boys trekking? Chakararta. Where were the boys trekking? Jakarta. Which trees were in the area they were walking through? Oak, pine, and bamboo. Who first felt that they were being followed? Rusty. What animal did Rusty think was following them? Tiger or leopard? Question number 5. Who suggested going back? Poppet. Question number 6. What was the boy's strategy to avoid the animal? Walk normally. Question number 7. Where did they see the Mandali rest house? Clearing. Question number 8. What animal was standing in the clearing? The tiger. Question number 9. What was Poppet's reaction when he saw the tiger near the boundary wall? Panic. And the question number 10. How did the boys enter the rent house? Broke glass. By broking glass, यहाँ पे broke glass से better होगा. By broking, यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं by broking glass. Okay. Question number 11. Which door did they forget to shut initially? Back door. What was open in the kitchen? Window. Question number 13. What noise did tiger make at the kitchen window? Answer होगा roar. Who fired the gunshot? Forest guard. And where did the tiger go after the gunshot? Inside the forest. Answer this question briefly. What were the boys doing in the jungle? The boys were on a nature trek in the jungle. What made Rusty feel that they were being stalked and what did he ask his friend to do? Rusty heard soft thud and smelled a feline predator. Rusty heard soft thuds and smelled a feline predator and he asked his friend to stay calm and walk normally. What happened when the boys reached the rent house? The rent house was when the boy reached the rent house, the rent house was deserted and the boy broke in to take shelter. Question number 4. What did the boy do to prevent the tiger from coming inside? The boys, सॉरी इसमें यहाँ पे जो है एक ही ये होगा, डबल ई टाइप हो गई है ये. The boys bolted the windows and door to secure the bungalow. Question number 5. What did the tiger do when it spotted the boys in the bungalow? The tiger tried to break in, pounding on the door. Who saved the boy in the end and what happened to the tiger? The forest guard saved the boys by firing gunshots and the tiger ran back into the forest. Question number 7. Easier said than done, replied Popper, doing his best not to break into a run. Who was Poppet replying to? The Poppet was replying to Rusty. What was it they wanted to save themselves from? They wanted to save themselves from a tiger or leopard. Question number 3. See, why did he say the above line? He said this above line because it was difficult for him to stay calm and not run despite being scared. Next question है question number 8. We have no choice, we will have to break in. Who said these words to whom and why did the speaker say so? The Rusty said these words to his friends Popat and Pitambar because the rent house was deserted and they needed shelter from the tiger. What were they planning to break into? They were planning to break into the Mandali rest house. Why did not the speaker have any choice? They had no choice because the rent house was locked and they were too tired to continue walking while tiger was following them. Subscribe for more videos and thanks for watching. फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में, तब तक के लिए बाय, टेक केयर.